Are you tired of finding clips manually, spending all day just to find the right clips for your rankings, commentary, or whatever niche you're in? Well, Pulse Rewrite has your answer. In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 ways to find the right clips fast and save yourself hours. One organic way and one using a prompt. But first, let me walk you through our server so you don't have to go hunting for expensive courses that leave you with nothing. This server is anti-paid course. Everything here is free, and it's built to help you gain real skills and real income potential. That's where Pulse Studio comes in. Pulse Studio is made for both creators and editors. For creators, the goal is to help you start a new income stream while your other channels get automated in the background. For editors, it's different from regular freelancing. Your pay is tied to the views you generate, similar to a monetized channel or a WAP-style setup. And even if you're a complete beginner on day one, you can start building toward real earnings as we guide you to your full potential. Best of all, it's completely free to join. The link is in the description. Okay, back to the topic. As you can see, the server also has overlays, niche selections, a full course, and a facts library. Head to Content Drops and open this tool. You'll find the prompt there. Download it and copy the whole thing. This is your shortcut. For the chatbot, I recommend Grok. I tested all the major chatbots, and most gave me poor results. So Grok is the one I trust for this. Paste the prompt into Grok and wait for the output. From there, just fill in what it asks. Topic. Pick a specific topic so it actually works. Something like family reunion. The more specific, the better. Platforms. Choose all for the widest results. Views. Set your minimum, like 100,000 or whatever you want. Count. Keep it to 10 max. The more clips you ask for, the buggier it gets. Since chatbots aren't really built for this, the prompt is pushing it past what it normally does. Date. 3 years is a good range for broad results. Clip format. Choose shorts only if you only want shorts. Content. Choose raw. Raw means no editing applied to the clip. Mood. This controls the feel, like how funny or emotional the video is, so pick what fits. Language. This mostly refers to the spoken language, so choose all if you plan to mute the clip anyway. Purpose. Use reference if you just want the clip finder. The other modes are for educational use. One tip, use a fresh Grok account so it doesn't carry old memory from past chats and gives you cleaner results. Now let me test the link and see if it pulls the right one. And I'll be straight with you, the prompt isn't perfect, and sometimes it'll show a different video. That's because this version is free, and making it fully accurate would cost a lot to run. That's coming in the premium version soon, so I hope you understand. Even so, this is more than enough to find clips fast without burning hours. Now this is important, so don't skip it. Finding the clip is only step 1. You can't just re-upload it as is. YouTube's reused content policy will kill your monetization and can get your channel hit. The clip is raw material, not the final video. You have to transform it, add your commentary, your edit, your ranking, your angle. That's what makes it yours, and that's what actually gets monetized. So that's the automated way. Now let's do the organic one. The organic method takes more time because you're hunting for a single topic, which is harder. So instead, I suggest searching for a known channel in your niche. For commentary, that's FitFix. Open his channel, watch his shorts a few times each, and then engage for real. Like, subscribe, and leave genuine comments. But only on videos you've actually watched, and never paste the same comment twice. Do this for about an hour, and your shorts feed will fill up with commentary videos. This works because the algorithm picks up in the kind of content you want and starts feeding you more like it. And that's it. I hope this helped. If you're after real income or just hands-on experience, don't forget to apply to Pulse Studio. For now, it's Philippines only, and we're going worldwide next year. See you in the next video.